Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and well at your home. Now students, today once again in continuation with the chapter of measurement, today we are going to discuss some of the word problems related to the division of metric measures. So here in this exercise we will discuss some of the word problems in which you have to identify that which operation you have to use, whether it is multiplication, division, addition or subtraction. So let's discuss some of the word problems related to the same. Reading up the first question, it says a chocolate weighs 20 grams. How many such chocolates can be kept in a box of 1 kg? So the question says if there is one chocolate given to you and the weight of one chocolate is 20 gram, and if a big box is given to you, it is being asked that how many chocolates of 20 gram each you can keep in a box which is of 1 kg. So the box is having a capacity of 1 kg and you have to keep 20 grams small chocolates in this. So what you have to find? Number of chocolates which we can keep in this box of 1 kg. So let us write the things which are given to us. So very first, weight of one chocolate. So weight of one chocolate is 20 gram. After that, weight of the box. So what is the weight of box given to you? Weight of box is given as 1 kg. Now here students, you can see the weight of the chocolate is given in grams and the weight of the box is given in kilograms. So very first, if we have to put these chocolates in the box, so the most important thing that both the terms should be in the same metric unit. So what we will do? Very first we will be converting 1 kilogram to grams. So how many grams are there in 1 kilogram? Yes, 1 kg or 1 kilogram is actually equals to 1000 grams. That means the total capacity of the box is 1000 grams. Now, in the next step, you have to find the number of chocolates which you can put in the box of 1 kg. So therefore, in the next step, you will write number of chocolates. So the number of chocolates that we can keep in this box of 1 kilogram is actually equals to weight of the box divided by the weight of one chocolate. So weight of one chocolate. So it will be, what is the weight of the box? 1000 grams divided by, what is the weight of one chocolate? 20 gram. So now you have to divide 1000 by 20. So when you will perform the division, it will be 1000 divided by 20. 20 5s are 100. Cancel out. A 0 will come down. 20 zeros are 0. So what is your answer? Your answer is 50 and 50 chocolates. So that means in a box of 1 kilogram, that means 1000 gram, we can keep 50 chocolates of 20 grams each. Clear students? So this is our first solution. Coming to the second part, in which the question says a tailor uses 2 meter 20 centimeter of cloth for making a shirt. So tailor needs 2 meter and 20 centimeter of cloth to prepare to make one shirt. How much cloth is required for making 18 such shirts? So if the tailor needs 2 meter and 20 centimeter of cloth for one shirt, then how much length of cloth he needs to make 18 such shirts? That means 18 shirts of same type. That means for every shirt he needs 2 meter and 20 centimeter. So for 18 shirts also he needs 2 meter 20 centimeter, 2 meter 20 centimeter, 2 meter 20 centimeter repeatedly 18 times. So starting up with the solution, very first you will write the length of shirt, length of cloth for one shirt. How much cloth is required for making one shirt? 2 meter 20 centimeter. 2 meter 20 centimeter. Now, how many shirts the tailor has to prepare? So, number of shirts which tailor has to prepare is 18. He has to prepare 18 shirts of same kind. So, the length of cloth for 18 shirts, that will be equals to, what you have to do, if for one shirt it is 2 meter 20 centimeter. As I said, it is repeated addition of 2 meter 20 centimeter, 2 meter 20 centimeter, 2 meter 20 centimeter. So what you will do, you have to do the multiplication, because repeated addition means multiplication by the same value. So that means we will multiply 2 meter 20 centimeter by 18. Correct, students? So we have done how to do the multiplication. So let us perform the multiplication. In multiplication, we will write the value 220 multiplied by 18. So what you will get? 8 zeros are 0, 8 twos are 16, a carry, 8 twos are 16 plus 1, 17. Then next line, 1 zeros are 0, 1 twos are 2, 1 twos are 2. Adding up the value here, you will get 0, 6, 9 and 3. So now the product of 220 with 18 is 3960. And since here in centimeters there is a group of 2 digits, so you will get a decimal after 2 places. That means we can separate it by 39 meter and 60 centimeters. So how much cloth is required for making 18 such shirts? 39 meter and 60 centimeter. So students, you can see that we have done the word problems related to the metric measures, in which the first question, when we have to put the chocolates in the box, we have divided the term, and when the tailor has to prepare the shirts of same kind, then we have multiplied the terms. So I hope today's lesson is clear to all of you. Thank you for the lesson, students. Have a great day.